Hey there, YouTube. This is just an update on the Craftsman pressure washer here. As you see here, I removed all the mouse nest debris. I blew it out and vacuumed it out. And afterwards, I pressure washed the engine block with another pressure washer, of course. And I got the block nice and clean. Um, there's a little bit of corrosion, but that's just surface corrosion. Not a big deal. I added a new ignition coil, a new used one that I had around, because the old ignition coil that was on here was kind of iffy. The coils have like layers of metal that stack together on them. The top layer was a little eaten away, and I was concerned about that. It probably wouldn't have affected the coil operation, but I just swapped out the coil anyway with a good used one that I had off of an engine that had it had a broken rod. I cleaned off the flywheel, wire brushed it, even though there's a little bit of surface rust from the pressure washing. And I did pour gas down the carburetor, and I pulled the rope, and the engine does fire and run. So now I just need to take apart the carburetor and clean it and replace the fuel line. It's pretty bad. The fuel line is dry rotted, it's hardened, it's cracked. I imagine the carburetor is probably pretty clean once I take the bowl cover off, or the bowl, because the gas tank was bone dry when I got the pressure washer. So I imagine the bowl of the carburetor has to be pretty clean. I hope it is. And yeah, this is my progress so far. And that concludes the video. Bye.